Hey, beauty enthusiasts! Ready to discover your new beauty obsessions without breaking the bank? Click the link in the description below to get an exclusive discount on your Allure Beauty Box. So, what's the Allure Beauty Box, you ask? Imagine a box full of high-quality, curated beauty products delivered straight to your door every month. It's like having a beauty editor as your BFF. And who wouldn't want that, right? Now let's dive into what makes the Allure Beauty Box so special. First off, it's curated by the beauty experts at Allure magazine. These folks know their stuff. We're talking top-notch skincare, makeup, and hair care products, often full-size, that you'll actually want to use. But wait, there's more! Not only do you get a fab mix of products, but you also get them at a fraction of the price. Seriously, you'd be paying way more if you bought these items individually. So it's like a beauty bargain bonanza. Still not convinced? Let's talk perks. With the Allure Beauty Box, you get access to exclusive discounts and early access to new launches. Plus, you can try out new products without the commitment. Think of it as a monthly surprise for your face. Oh, and did I mention the reviews? Customers are raving about the variety, quality, and value of the products. It's like Christmas every month. Well, Christmas with a much better skincare routine, that is. Okay, maybe you've heard about some competitors like Birchbox or IPC. They're cool and all, but the Allure Beauty Box stands out because it's curated by actual beauty editors. That's next-level expertise, my friends. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below to snag your exclusive discount on the Allure Beauty Box. Don't miss out on this chance to pamper yourself and discover new beauty favorites. Remember, that's the link in the description below. Get your Allure Beauty Box today and join the beauty revolution. Thanks for watching. And until next time, stay gorgeous.